What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a BloomChic try-on haul. My name is Nicole. For those of you who are new here, I make videos on plus size fashion. I do lots and lots of hauls. Travel vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, a sprinkle of mama content, as well as a lot more things. So if you guys are interested in any videos like that, definitely subscribe and stay around a while. I also have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to follow me over there, I will have that linked below. Today's video, as you can tell, is a BloomChic try-on haul, and I got 6 items that I think are so cute. I will leave my measurements and height and whatnot in the description box if you guys need to compare anything for sizing, but I find that BloomChic is very true to size, so keep that in mind when ordering. Also, BloomChic was nice enough to give me a coupon code for you guys, which will save you 15% off of your whole order. It is Nicole15. I will leave that down below as well in case you guys forget, but why not save you guys some coin? I feel like BloomChic is already affordable as it is, and then they're giving you an extra discount, so definitely take advantage of that. All right, I think I've talked enough. Let's get into this video. So the first top that I got is this one here, and it's like a teal turquoise color, but like a deeper turquoise. It's not like a bright color at all, and then it has these foil gold stars on it. This shirt is kind of just like a basic cut, and it's made of stretchy material, which is like kind of on the thicker side, which is kind of nice. I really like it a lot. I got it in a size 18-20, and I thought the fit was perfect. This is seriously the perfect top to just throw on like with some jeans or whatnot and go out the door. So this is the first item that I picked up. The next top that I got is so cute, and it is perfect for work. If you guys are new around here, I am a teacher. I teach special ed, and we don't really have a like a dress code at work because it would kind of be silly to, honestly. Like, why dress up when we're gonna be on the floor, we're gonna be running, we're gonna be out in the community? Like, there's a lot that goes into this job, so we don't have to dress up, but I like to wear tops that are like a little nicer as opposed to just like a basic like v-neck or scoop neck. So this one is so perfect. It is adorable. It's blue and has white and like it's almost like a rust orange floral print. It has these buttons going up the top. I think the sleeves are honestly my favorite because they're like so flouncy and like, I don't know, they're just perfect, you guys. The fit of this top was amazing. It's not made of a stretchy material, but I got an 18-20, which I feel like is my typical size, and it fit great. So this is the second top. I just love it. Next, I got another top that would be absolutely perfect for work. I can see myself wearing this to meetings with parents, and honestly, just like any day. I love it a lot. So it is this maroon color. This is gonna be perfect for fall. I'm ready for fall. I'm so sick of summer, I'm ready for fall. But it's like this deep red, like wine color, and it has like a ruffle detailing on the front, kind of cinches in a little bit under your boobs, and I got it in an 18-20 as well. Not made of a stretchy material, but it fit perfectly. Next, I got a jumpsuit, and it is so cute, but it was a little bit too tight in the bottom half, and I should have known better. I should have sized up. I always have trouble with my lower half because it is like a lot bigger, I feel like, but this was so cute. I'm tempted to get on and order it in the next size up because I feel like this would be great for work as well. But it is just this black and white print. It has really like flowy, large legs and a tie at the waist. It's just like perfection, except for the fact that it was too small. It was definitely too tight in my hips and like lower belly area, but other than that, it was so perfect. The material is not stretchy, and I picked it up in an 18-20. Okay, next I got another pair of overalls. I can't remember if it was my last BloomChic haul or the one before that. I got a pair of black overalls, and they were actually a little bit big because I ordered them like in the next size up, but I didn't realize that they were already like a little bit oversized. So in this one, I stuck with an 18-20, and it's made of like a really soft, crazy stretchy, almost like t-shirt material, but they're just like chill vibes, like relaxing, like just throw it on with a white t-shirt kind of a vibe. Has 2 large pockets in the front, and these were so comfortable. Like, I loved it. In the try on portion, I tried it on with a white tank top because that's what I just had right there, but I'd probably wear it with like a fitted white tee. So cute. Also, the straps are adjustable, so that is great. Last but not least is actually what I'm wearing. This is a very casual dress. I had actually picked it out in black and they sent it to me in this color instead, but you know what? I'm not mad about it. It is so cute, and I feel like everything I own is black, so it's a nice switch up. But it's just like a t-shirt dress with a twist because it has this little part here under your boobs that cinch you in, give you a waist, pockets. I feel like most, or if not all, of their dresses have pockets, which is such like the perfect touch if you ask me. And then it does have a cutout here on the side. I am wearing biker shorts, so ignore that, but not a cutout, but it kind of comes up a little bit, which I feel like I love, like the cut of this dress. I don't know. It's perfect, it's casual, cannot wait to wear this one as well. It is made of a stretchy material and I got it in an 1820. So that was everything that I got from BloomChic. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Definitely check them out. If you guys decide to order anything, don't forget the coupon code. All of that info will be down below. Save you guys some money and get some cute stuff. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.